And now we are in Þórufoss, and I'm going to fly my Mavic 2 Pro, and there's a waterfall over there, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna get it, but let's fly and see what's gonna happen. This is the Mavic 2 Pro, and I have an ND8 filter in here, and I think I have to calibrate the compass. So let's go ahead and do that. So the app tells me to calibrate the compass. So, I press the button, and now we need to do the calibration dance, which is this. And see, the lights turn green, and now heads down, and we keep on doing the dance. You can dance to it if you want. And see how now we have these lights. That means we are good and we are ready to launch. I'm thinking from here, I'm gonna step away a little bit because I have had drones just go a couple of inches and then hit me in the leg. So, all right, it's a little breezy, but we're going to attempt to do this anyway. All right, let's do it. All right, let's do a check. Left, right, up, down, forward, up, down. Yaw right, yaw left. Yep, we are good. And now let's fly it. Wow. All right, it's really windy, but we're gonna get this anyway. All right, it's telling me high wind velocity, fly with caution, and I'm going to do that. I need to bring my settings up a little bit, right? I'm gonna yaw to the right here. Oh, there's the waterfall. I gotta record this. Oh, yes. All right, now it's a little too bright, so I'm gonna close this a little bit. Oh, look at those clouds. They are amazing. All right, let's fly towards that waterfall. I am recording. Let's do it. I'm straightening up the drone a little bit. And I'm looking at my screen, looking at the drone, looking at my screen, looking at the drone. So I'm constantly doing that. Gimbal down a little bit so I can get more of this gorgeous waterfall. Oh yeah. This is just rocking. More gimbal down. I'm gonna go up a little bit more just to get more of this. So I'm gonna center the waterfall here, and now I'm gonna go into one of my automated modes. So I'm going to click here. I'm gonna go to point of interest, click and drag to mark the area, right? And now it's doing it. Come on, gimbal up a little bit. You can do it. No, it's here. This is what I want, a little bit higher. It's windy, so it's good enough. And go. Don't forget to record. I'm gonna adjust this a tiny little bit in the yaw. There you go. Oh, I love that. You can see the center. You can see how the drone is going around. And I'm really getting what I need to get. This is amazing. It's an amazing place. I think that's pretty good for that, so I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna click here again and I'm gonna go back to normal. And I'm still recording, but I think it's time to bring the drone back. Only because it's a little bit windy. I'm gonna lower my exposure a little bit. Look at all that water, look at that. See how it's like a serpentine coming down? I mean, that's just amazing stuff. And there you have it. This was very cool. I'm stopping now. And that's it.